So it's time for me to replace this electrical outlet, mainly because it's really hard for my mother to unplug everything out of here. And I don't know, I think it's rusty inside of there. I can feel it, and it's actually pretty hard. She's not left-handed or anything, and it's kind of hard for her to unplug that. Okay, so I thought, phooey on that. I'm just gonna go ahead and replace it. And that's my little project today. You wanna learn how to do that, how to take out a defective electrical outlet and install a new one? Stick around. Now the first thing I gotta do before I do anything is I've got to make sure there's no power to this electrical outlet. Don't ever work on anything hot. And see this one here, this happens to say GFCI protected circuit. So I know that's connected to an electrical GFCI outlet in the bathroom somewhere. I should be able to find it. Here it is. And I'm gonna go ahead and test it. I press the test button, and then that top button pops out. That means now power does not work on there. And I double check that. Try turning things on. I try to turn this on here. Nothing's happening. So I know the power is off to here. You can press in a little light bulb, a lamp in there or something, or if you have a little GFCI tester, an electrical tester. If you have an electrical tester, you can plug it in there too, and you can check it that way. But under no circumstances you want to work on a hot electrical outlet. Now I've seen electricians do it before, and they're pretty good about it, and they don't have any problem doing that to an electrical outlet such as this. But you're not a professional electrician, are you? And neither am I, so be safe and not sorry. Now I'm thinking I should be able to do this whole project with this right here, just a standard screwdriver, a Phillips, and also my electrical strippers. Okay, that's it. All right, I need a little wiggle room, so I'm gonna go ahead and move all this stuff out of my way. And obviously, the first thing I need to do is unscrew this cover. Very simple. Okay, and that's where the little tag is. Make sure you use the same cover plate for that. When they installed the GFCI electrical outlet, usually they'll have little tags there. So if you're going to connect your outlet to anywhere else that's going to be protected by the GFI outlet, then they have the tags. So make sure you pull that tag off, the tags off, and then put them on your electrical cover plates like this. Okay. So now, just go ahead and unscrew this. Okay. And I'm not going to use a battery operated drill. I'm just going to do it by hand. Ooh, these screws are long or something. Okay, keep at it.